Welcome to our guide on how to create a public profile on Snapchat. Let's explore the steps to customize your profile and share your content with a wider audience. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Tap on your Bitmoji or story icon to navigate to your profile section. Next, locate and tap on My Public Profile to access your public profile settings. From there, tap on Edit to personalize and customize your public profile. Enhance your profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and any other information you wish to share with your audience. To showcase your stories on your public profile, tap on Add a Story to your profile and select the snaps you want to include for your followers to view. Additionally, you can elevate your profile by adding a lens created via Lens Studio, giving your profile a unique touch. If you prefer to manage the visibility of your follower count, navigate to My Public Profile. Tap on Edit Profile and toggle the Show How Many Follow Me option according to your preference. By following these steps, you can create a dynamic and engaging public profile on Snapchat, allowing you to share your content and connect with a broader audience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to maximize your Snapchat experience and engage with your followers effectively.